While it may not appear as such, the 2023 Ford Maverick is a utilitarian pickup truck that deserves its spot alongside the Ranger and the F-150, thanks to its innovative design and unexpected practicality. The standard powertrain is a fuel-efficient hybrid system available exclusively with front-wheel drive. Optionally, you can opt for a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine in all-wheel drive. The payload capacity is more than sufficient for a weekend's worth of home improvement supplies, and the Maverick can be configured to tow up to 4,000 pounds. It shares its platform with the Bronco Sport SUV, offering 4 doors and a rather roomy interior equipped with several clever storage solutions. However, in contrast to the trimmed-down Bronco, the Maverick pickup has earned a spot on our list of the 10 best trucks and SUVs for 2023. The Maverick's sole rival in the recently revived compact pickup truck category is the Hyundai Santa Cruz. Although the Santa Cruz can tow more and offers additional luxury features, it also comes with a higher price tag and a smaller bed. For 2023, the Maverick lineup welcomes a new addition, the Tremor off-road model. This variant boasts a more rugged exterior design and is offered in either the XLT or Lariat trim levels. It's exclusively available on models equipped with the non-hybrid all-wheel drive powertrain. To enhance its off-road capabilities, the Maverick Tremor features a revised suspension that provides a 1-inch lift compared to the standard truck. Ford has also improved the transmission cooler and half shafts to handle more demanding terrain. The all-wheel drive system has received some tweaks as well, including a twin-clutch rear differential that can be opened or locked depending on traction requirements. Additionally, the Maverick Tremor comes equipped with Ford's Trail Control System, which functions as a low-speed cruise control specifically designed for off-road trails. While the Tremor off-road model already comes with styling enhancements, you can opt for the Tremor Appearance Package, which adds further visual upgrades such as gray-painted roof and mirror caps and black body side graphics. Ford offers the Maverick in 3 trim levels, XL, XLT, and Lariat, each catering to different preferences and budgets. The XL trim is ideal for those aiming to keep costs to a minimum. However, it does omit some basic creature comforts that many buyers consider essential, though it could serve well as a reliable work truck. Opting for the XLT trim introduces several enhancements, including 17-inch aluminum wheels, cruise control, a power tailgate lock, power exterior mirrors, and more, positioning it as the value-conscious choice. We recommend upgrading to the optional turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and adding all-wheel drive for added performance and versatility. Additionally, considering the tow package is advisable to unlock the Maverick's full towing capacity of 4,000 pounds.